Today I'm wondering, can we wax resist using a household candle and air dry clay? Let's try it. On a fully dried piece of air dry clay, I've left some marks with my sharpened candle. Dipping into some colour, it appears to be working. It definitely seems to work best when I press harder and leave more wax behind. For a second piece, I've added some grooves and then the wax. For the dip bath, I've mixed some acrylic paint with quite a bit of water. And on this second one, the paint has settled really nicely within the grooves. I do think I should have still added more wax. We definitely need to press as hard as we can with the candle to get the wax onto the piece. Honestly, it's all experimental and so fun to try. Now I'm curious, is it too messy for you or the kind of fun you love to play with? The last technique was definitely less messy. Lots more creative inspiration videos over here on Red Rocking Bird. Please take a look.